Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can add follow button on your Facebook profile. So let me show you how it looks. You can go on menu, you can click on a username at the top, and you can click on the three dot right beside edit profile and click on view as. And as you guys can see, there's a follow button over here. If you don't see a follow button, that means you don't have it. And in order to have it, what you can do is come on menu. Once you're on the menu section, over here at the top, you can see the setting icon. Click on setting. Once you're on the setting, you want to click on the little search icon over here. Now before moving forward from over here, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on for this type of future Facebook related videos like this. Alright, let's move on. Over here on search, you want to write this: who can send me friend request? And you're gonna see this option called how people find and contact you. Once you see it, you want to click on it. Once you click on it, the first option over here where it says who can send you friend request, you want to click on it. Once you click on it, make sure it's on friends of friends. Alright, if it is on everyone like this, make sure you change it to friends of friends. Alright, once it's on this, go back and go back again. And over here on search, you want to search for this. Now this time you want to search for post, P-O-S-T, post. Once you search for post, the first option where it says posts, you want to click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the first option over here where it says who can see your future posts. You want to click on it. Once you do it, make sure it's set on public. Alright, if it is set on friends, friend accept, you want to make sure it's on public. Once you keep it on public, go back. And once you're on menu again, you want to click on your username at the top again, and then click on the three dot right beside edit profile and click on view as. And this time your follow button should appear over here. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can add a follow button on your Facebook profile. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.